got Wes Buck, founder of Drag Illustrated. What is happening today?
You tell me, Courtney. I tell you what, I think something really significant is happening. Above all else, this is a coming together of a group of people that have what I believe to be an unrivaled level of passion for the sport of drag racing, a group of people that are committed to our sport's future, and I think we're going to throw our hat into the ring in a really big way here today.
So a huge event announcement, the PRO Superstar Shootout, something that's never happened before. Top Fuel, Funny Car, Pro Stock coming together for big bucks. Where do you fit in this picture?
Well, another funny question. We were honestly, it's a humbling thing for me personally to have had my phone ring earlier this year with hey, I have an idea, which for those that know me well, those are some of my favorite words. They're words I say a lot. And on the heels of the World Series of Pro Mod that we did in conjunction with FloRacing, basically we were asked if we would be interested in helping doing this again. And of course, if there was an opportunity to put on a drag race or throw a party, I want to be a part of it. So we started doing all the legwork and getting people together and starting to align some of our ideas and see what was what. And as you mentioned, the Pro Superstar Shootout was born. $250,000 to win Top Fuel, $250,000 to win Funny Car, $125,000 to win Pro Stock. What I believe will be the biggest 3 days in the history of drag racing.
Now, drag racing is, as we say, alive and well. Why right now is it so important to do something so out of the box?
To be honest with you, I think a lot of times people wait until something's wrong to try to change things. And it's our belief collectively that it's this high tide moment that we have. We need to ride that wave of momentum. We need to lean in. Let's not wait 5-6 years from now to try to solve a problem or fix a crisis. Let's do it now while we have momentum and we have interest. And that's really, I think, been the primary catalyst for this. This isn't anything that's being done out of despair, right? The sport of drag racing is in a fantastic spot, in my personal opinion, right now. We have races selling out, racers showing up in droves, supporting these events, all sorts of different sanctions and series having banner years, NMCA, NHRA, PDRA. I mean, the list goes on, the alphabet soup, if you will, of sanctions and series that exist in our sport. And everybody that I'm talking to is reporting the same thing. Things are good, times are good. So it feels like now is the time to swoop in and try to do something special to not only help folks celebrate their successes the year prior, but kickstart the drag racing season. That's something that I'm really proud of with the World Series of Pro Mod that takes place the first weekend in March down in Florida, Bradenton Motorsports Park, right along the Gulf Coast. That event, in my opinion, again, I'm a little bit biased, but it felt like it really just set the season off right. It sent everybody out into the world in a good mood, good energy, excited, and I think that that's what we can do here, is we can bring everybody out, have us a big old party, throw a drag race, and send everybody off on their merry way to go compete for a world championship in the NHRA.
So I got an interview with Wes Buck talking about an event he's throwing without saying the word barn burner. So I think that this is, we may have to work on the slogan, biggest, richest race of the series.
I've been working on it a little bit, but I'll tell you what, if you look up barn burner in the dictionary, which is 2 words, there will be the Pro Superstar Shootout right there beside it.
You heard it here first, and we are breaking this news live at Flow Sports headquarters in Austin. Thank you, Wes.
Thank you.